Lexa, my little Bengal girl, just seems to be the first one that wants to get in there feet first and go for it. Get him, Lexa. Get the fish. And then my big Bengal boy, it's his birthday today, but he's just kind of... Look at this. Get him, Lexa. Get the fishies. Get the fish. Honey. Oh, this is hilarious. You catch it, you can eat it. She's having a blast.